Smart Child Zone presents Heredity. All organisms inherit traits from their parents. Family members share many of the same inherited traits. This is why offspring look similar to their parents. Parents share more traits with their offspring than with other organisms. You can use this information to figure out if an organism is likely to be the offspring of a given pair of parents. Look at the traits of this pair of zebras. Which animal could be an offspring of this pair? Select the most likely offspring. First, look for traits that the parents have. The offspring will inherit many of these traits. Both parents have black and white stripes covering the body, upright ears and a long snout with a black tip. Looking at the three offspring, animal 2 have all these traits too. Organisms including people have both inherited and acquired traits. Inherited and acquired traits are gained in different ways. Inherited traits are passed down through families. Children gain these traits from their parents. Inherited traits do not need to be learned. Acquired traits are gained during a person's life. Some acquired traits, such as riding a bicycle, are gained by learning. Other acquired traits, such as scars, are caused by the environment. Children do not inherit their parents' acquired traits. Xavier knows how to type. Is this trait inherited or acquired? People are not born knowing how to type. Instead, many people learn how to type. So typing is an acquired trait. Jerry has 5 toes on each foot. Is this trait inherited or acquired? Most humans are born with 5 toes on each foot. So having 5 toes is an inherited trait. Ellie plays basketball. Mitch has blue eyes. What information supports the conclusion that Mitch inherited this trait? Destiny knows a lot about history. What information supports the conclusion that Destiny acquired this trait? The pedigree chart below shows flower color in a possible family of rose plants. Flower color is an inherited trait in rose plants. Roses come in many colors. 2 of these colors are white and yellow. Select one plant that has yellow flowers. Plant 3, Plant 5, and Plant 6 all have yellow flowers. Selecting any of them is correct. The pedigree chart below shows coat color in a possible family of tigers. Tigers live in the grasslands and forests of Asia. Coat color is an inherited trait in tigers. Most tigers have orange coats, and a few have white coats. Both orange and white tigers have black stripes on their bodies. Select one tiger that has a white coat. Both Tiger 5 and Tiger 7 have white coats. Selecting either of them is correct. For more videos and other useful materials, visit us at www.smartchildzone.com/videos. Register your child and have access to our unlimited number of question and answer exercises. Visit www.smartchildzone.com.